day I saw one quote somewhere that said, "Your eyes are open, but are you watching?" That really made me realize how the appreciation is important in order to feel that you are alive. So today I decided to pack my bag and go into the nature. I got all the essentials and got ready to go. The nature's still sleeping. The silence is only broken by seagulls, herons, and migratory birds. The trees are sleeping and getting ready to bloom. Everything is slow, kinda lazy. It feels like endless clouds are over us, and on some days it just rains and rains. The only hope that I have is sunshine, and it really comes around once in a while. The silence is hiding somewhere in the corner when the waves rush to the shore. I don't know if it's a thing for all the Pisces, or am I the only one that's drawn to waters? When I'm by the sea, river, lake, or even a pond and a swamp, all my problems are hiding somewhere. I'm free as a water, free like the seagulls that wander about the waves. I feel envious sometimes, envious and sad that I am unable to do that. One of my favorite activity is collecting seashells. I almost have an unhealthy obsession of shells. I was so happy when I found the spot under the bridge where all the scallops gather and I'm able to collect their empty shells. The last stop was the forest. The forest is the most silent one. The wind is slithering by eucalyptus trees. Even though these trees are green in winter, they are so pale. Nature is in deep sleep still, but you can clearly see that it'll start to wake up soon. Looking at all of these, admiring and appreciating, suddenly I have zero problems. The secret is in noticing, admiring, and appreciating all of it.